friends, here is my mouse paint book that goes along with our story. It says bye, so you're the author, so write your name here. And here's your little mouse. So you're going to cut the little circles out with help from an adult. You're going to put it on your fingers so he can walk. Here's the white mouse. So you're going to do red paint and yellow paint make orange paint. So in here, you're going to decorate that red any way you want. You can use markers, crayons, however you choose to do that. And yellow paint, so you can make this yellow, and orange paint. And then you pretend to tell the story, retell the story. So red paint he dipped in and yellow paint, and it turned to orange. Then you're going to go to the next page, and blue paint and yellow paint make green paint. So blue, yellow, green. And on the last page, you're going to have red paint and blue paint and purple paint. Have a good time with this. This is fun. And you can also try mixing some colored water with some food coloring. Put it in a little cup of water and try mixing the colors. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.